You have to understand one thing. It's not about losing the fat. It's about not gaining it in the first place. But I'm sure nobody told you about this, right? Of course they didn't tell you about this. Nobody wants you to know the truth. Do you know how many people actually benefit from you staying fat? The food industry, the supplement companies, pharmaceutical companies, and believe it or not, even your personal trainer benefits. And it's the same story about everything today, because everything is about money. We all know this shouldn't surprise you, and you shouldn't be mad at your trainer. He is just trying to survive. What you gotta do is very simple. You just gotta watch this video and learn the truth for yourselves. And if you like this content and honesty that you can find here, then let's make this channel grow so that more people can find it and more people can learn the truth. Like, share, subscribe, comment. It only takes a moment to do it. And with that being said, let's start. Believe it or not, I know exactly what you did this Christmas. You ate like the world ends tomorrow, didn't you? And now you're thinking, why did I eat that 17th slice when I wasn't even hungry? And the regret starts hitting hard. You're sitting on your phone, searching on Google how to lose fat fast. And the worst part? You're all alone with the guilt, feeling like you have to fix it all alone. Stop. The truth is that you're not broken. You're not weak. You're just stuck in a pattern that nobody ever taught you how to beat. Don't worry, this year is different, because this year there is someone who believes in you. Me, that's right, I believe in you. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna make you believe in yourselves too. This year, my promise to you is that you will be able to eat everything you like and still lose fat. No dieting, no guilt, and most importantly, no punishment workouts. Here's the simple truth. Your body doesn't store fat because of Christmas. It stores fat because of what you do after you eat. It's that simple. And 99% of the people do the worst thing possible. They sit, they lay down, or they fall asleep like a baby in front of their TVs. You're the last one, aren't you? You gotta move right after you eat, because this action alone decides exactly where your calories go. I call this the 10 minutes walking protocol, where you walk for 10 minutes right after every big meal. And that's it. No more 1-hour gym sessions, no more 7-day detox diet, and definitely no crying on the treadmill this January. Forget about all that. Just walk for 10 minutes and you're good to go. You can walk literally anywhere you want. You can walk in the forest, you can walk in the park, you can walk with your dog, or with your friends. Just whatever you do, please be a responsible adult and don't walk near your fridge. All studies show that when you walk right after you eat, not 15 minutes after, not 30 minutes after, but right after you eat, your muscles open these tiny doors called GLUT4 transporters, which pull the sugar out of your blood and put it into your muscles. So because you're moving, you're tricking your body to not store the sugars that you just ate as fat, but to use it as energy instead. Genius, right? Well, it's pretty simple to be honest, but that's exactly why you must activate your body right at the moment when you finish eating. That means less fat storage, less insulin spikes, less cravings, and guess what? Way more energy. I'm sure that all of you wish you knew this sooner, but hey, now you're gonna subscribe, and together we're gonna discover all the secrets that the body has. So next time, if you catch yourself doing this, then you should really be doing this. Simple, right? Here's exactly how to use the 10-minute walking protocol like a pro. First, walk right after you finish eating. Don't wait 30 minutes or an hour. Do it right away. Second, walk at a relaxed pace. This is not cardio. This is not a competition. So please don't run. Just enjoy your walk. Number 3, 10 to 15 minutes of walking is not too little. It's perfect. No need to walk for hours. This is just a normal body activation walk. Number 4, if you have 3 holiday meals in one day, that means 30 minutes of the walking protocol that day, not 10. So for each big meal you eat, you walk 10 minutes. So if you decide to try and implement the 10 minutes walking protocol, trust me, good shoes matter the most. After all, we are here to better ourselves, to upgrade, not to hurt ourselves more. I know that losing the fat is really important for you, but not at the cost of hurting your back or your knees. So that's why I left the best walking shoes options below, the ones I've personally used and the budget-friendly ones that will still protect your knees and back. And if you really want to stay disciplined during the holidays, I made a simple holiday walking tracker you can download for free. The final conclusion is that all of you deserve to enjoy every holiday and to eat all the food that you want. After all, life is to be enjoyed. And now, thanks to this video, you know how. And you don't even have to punish or torture yourself afterwards. So, walk for 10 minutes, protect your health, eat the food you love, enjoy the moments with your loved ones, and let your body do the rest. Before we end, I must say that the next video will also be very important for you, because I will teach you how to fix your sugar cravings instantly. And I know a lot of you have that problem. In this video, we'll learn what to do after our meals. But in the next one, I will teach you exactly what to do before your meals. Don't let that little bit of sugary delight control your life. You're stronger than that. You're better than that. And I'm here to motivate you and to prove that to you. Stay active and smart, everybody, and enjoy your holidays. Let's start 2026 strong. See you in the next video.